Hello, happy Sunday and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a super nourishing, really hydrating DIY hair mask just using 3 simple products that you've most likely got in your cupboards at home. Now I know we're still in quarantine and a lot of people like myself aren't doing our normal jobs at the moment and out of work, so things aren't as easy to come by as normal. We're not able to get to the shops and pick up things that we normally want to get, but that doesn't mean we should go without, and this is the perfect time to be treating your hair and giving it the TLC that it needs, and this is how you're going to do it. The 3 ingredients that you're going to need are extra virgin olive oil, honey and coconut oil. Now extra virgin olive oil is really rich in antioxidants and is high in vitamin E. Vitamin E is a great moisturiser and helps fight against hair loss and also encourages hair growth. It also increases the elasticity and shine in the hair. Honey is an emollient, which means that it helps to seal and lock in moisture, and coconut oil is a natural deep conditioner and also adds moisture and shine. So you're going to add this all into a bowl and mix well until it is all combined together. If you have got a tint bowl and a tint brush, then I would recommend using that, as it will stop it from getting everywhere, but if not, just using your hands will be fine. The mask works better on damp hair, so I would wash my hair, towel dried it off, and then applying it from the roots all the way through to the end, starting at the bottom of my hair, taking sections, combing it through. Once I've finished applying it, I'm then going to leave it on for around 2 hours before shampooing it twice and conditioning as normal. Once that is applied and thoroughly combed through, I'm just going to brush it all back in place using an invisible hairband. These hairbands are great because they help prevent snagging or splitting of your hair when you're wearing it up, which normal elasticated hairbands can do. To do a quick little outfit change as I completely drenched the t-shirt I was wearing trying to wash my hair out, and I've not even combed this through yet. I've not put anything on it, and look how my hands are just running through it. My hair's so over bleached, it's normally so knotty, and it just feels amazing. Thank you again for watching today's video. Please do try this hair mask at home and let us know what you think in the comments down below. Again, if there's any videos you would like me to do or anything you would like me to try and post, please leave it in the comments down below or give me a message on my social media accounts. Thank you.